Hey guys, this is Matt from WTI, and let me tell you why I love this Lifesmart griddle. You're gonna like it. Let me show you. Okay, a couple things right out of the gate. I love the big knobs that just kind of fire up the grill really easy ignite. Bring that temperature nice and hot. There's two great big areas for cooking. 400 square inches on this double griddle from Lifesmart. You can flip them over. There's a grill on the other side of them, so you can get those grill marks on your steaks. You got a nice big lid here that comes down and keeps the temperature just the way you like it. So you don't have to keep keeping it up too high. It's got a rack at the bottom. It comes on wheels. It's very sleek and thin, easy to move around. Very lightweight. It's just so nice to be able to have the two surfaces to cook from, so you can cook different things at different temperatures. I really enjoy this this grill. It does a fantastic job. All right, guys, that's the Lifesmart grill. Worked fantastic. Got my fish tacos ready for me. Look how good that looks. It's delicious, and that's my point of view.